on the beat. Oh.
What's up, guys? This is Eric from RC Productions. Today, my buddy is picking up his brand new Traxxas GDR, and we're gonna do an unboxing on it. So let's check it out. All right, guys, we are in beautiful Yuma AZ at the only local hobby shop here, Fast Eddie's RC Hobbies. My friend is purchasing his new UDR. Miguel, tell the people what you think.
It's too much fun.
I agree, man. Let's check it out. The car's done. My buddy got a UDR. I don't know how today could get even better. Pretty windy. Catch up with you guys in a bit. Okay, guys, we are here at the compound, my shop, my room, whatever you want to call it. And we got this big, beautiful beast. Let's open it up. All right, guys, we got the controller. There it is. Man. Woo! My new UDR. Let's go. I'm just kidding. It's Miguel's. Congratulations, Miguel. It's nice, man. Dang. I want to smell it.
Does it smell good? Does it smell good?
Really good. For now, we're gonna go ahead and go bash it. We're gonna flip it about 3 times, and that's it. In the car.
No, we're not gonna do that.
There it is, guys. Brand new UDR. Unfortunately, my friend did not bring his batteries because he's pretty smart. So this will have to do. Today, just a little unboxing, and this channel is more about friends and family now. So I'm showing off my friend's new UDR. Really sweet, Miguel. We have to have my mom make you some custom
Arizona?
Maybe a thin line. I got the honor of peeling off the beautiful plastic on the top. Wrong one, buddy. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, dude, it looks so nice. So, this is it. So, this is what you get in the package. Plastic piece, of course. Foam for the controller. And then your basic instructions and owner's manual, as well as some tools. But man, this thing looks nice. Real nice. Brand new condition. So this is it for the video, guys. But the fun doesn't stop here, fortunately, because we got a whole separate video to come. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.